similarly sent home. The PMLN also survived this shock by nominating another MNA as their Prime Minister. But I must mention this, that in the 2013 general elections, the judiciary under Iftikhar Chaudhry became a partisan actor with clear favorites in the election. In 2018, the judiciary once again became a partisan actor with clear favorites in the election. It is hoped that this time it will be different. That is, of course, if we have elections. My party has been demanding an election date and schedule since Parliament's term ended, to no avail. Regardless of my well-known opinion on 90 days, which may now have become a moot point, our right to have an election is absolutely indisputable. At the time of the conflict over elections in the provinces in Punjab and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, my party and I made every effort, and the most sincerest effort, for political dialogue, political consensus, to resolve a constitutional, political, and democratic crisis. Our aim was to reach a consensus on election dates, not only for the province Pakhtunkhwa, not only for the province of Punjab, but also for the general election. Unfortunately, the events of May 9th stymied these efforts. And today, we find ourselves where we are. Let us be clear, ladies and gentlemen, elections delayed are elections denied. The only path forward is for the Election Commission of Pakistan to immediately release the date of the election and the schedule of the election without any further delay. Given the events that we witnessed over the weekend, I trust there shall be no further delay. It is only through a free, fair, and impartial election where all contenders have a level playing field, an equal playing field, where the citizens of Pakistan are allowed to exercise their vote, exercise their right in choosing their leaders, that we will be able to move forward. When I was Foreign Minister of Pakistan, I met with a prominent foreign minister from a country where they don't have elections. They don't understand elections. And I was asked, what are these elections? Why do you need elections? And I explained that the people of Pakistan are a very emotional people. हमें अपना भड़ास निकालने के लिए ये इलेक्शंस बहुत जरूरी है. मेरा शक्ल आपको पसंद ना आए, 5 साल अगर मैंने कोई गलती की, कोई जुल्म किया, तो पाकिस्तान के अवाम के पास वो एक ही दिन है एक ही दिन है कि मुझसे हिसाब लिया जा सकता है, और इसलिए कि पाकिस्तान पीपल्स पार्टी एक जमहूरी जमात है, इसलिए ये जो आईन हमें इलेक्शन का हक देता है वो कायदे अवाम का दिया हुआ बनाया हुआ आईन है। इसलिए भाई, इसलिए कि इस आईन की बहाली के लिए शहीद मोहतरमा बेनजीर भुट्टो ने अपना जान की कुर्बानी दे दी। इसलिए कि सदर जरदारी और पाकिस्तान पीपल्स पार्टी ने 18वीं तरमीम की सूरत में इस आईन को बहाल करके शहीद मोहतरमा बेनजीर भुट्टो के 30 साल की सियासी जद्दोजहद को, वो नामुकम्मल जद्दोजहद को मुकम्मल कर दिया था। अब मेरे पास कोई ऑप्शन ही नहीं है, मैंने तो मुतालबा करना है कि इलेक्शन करो, फौरी करो, डेट दो, स्केड्यूल दो। मगर हम चाहते हैं, डिजायर ये है कि इसके बजाय कि कोई और अदारा हुक्म दे कि इलेक्शन कमीशन अपनी तौर पे अपना कानूनी और आईनी जिम्मेदारी मुकम्मल करके ये काम खुद कीजिए। Now let me go back to the judiciary, Supreme Court bar. I expect that in interpreting the Constitution, the judiciary will expand the powers of all democratic institutions, not merely its own. We have, however, witnessed that in interpreting the Constitution in the past, the judiciary has enhanced only its own powers and undermined that of other institutions. We value the independence of the judiciary. It is a cardinal principle of a democratic society. However, I sometimes feel that the independence of the judiciary has taken far too far to mean its independence from the law and the Constitution itself. We believe in accountability of all under the same law by the same institutions. Independence of the judiciary should not mean its independence from accountability. A reference was filed by over 100 civil society representatives from all walks of life against a Chief Justice of Pakistan while he was holding office. The reference was not heard by the Supreme Judicial Council for as long as the Chief Justice held the office